Hey gorgeous, it's your friend Sarwar, who couldn't use a little extra oomph in their day. We're diving into 10 game-changing productivity hacks. These strategies can seriously up your efficiency game. Grab your notebook and favorite beverage, and let's unlock your most productive self. Welcome! Imagine this. You wake up feeling clear, calm, and totally in charge of your day. Time blocking gives your day a clear roadmap. Break your day into chunks and assign tasks to each block. Treat those blocks like gold and stick to them. This simple shift can be a game changer for your productivity. Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of to-dos, not sure where to even begin? Been there. That's where our next hack comes in, the Eisenhower matrix. Think of it as your secret weapon for prioritizing like a pro. We're going to categorize your tasks into 4 boxes. Do first for urgent and important tasks, schedule for important but not urgent tasks, delegate for urgent but less important tasks, and don't do for tasks that are neither urgent nor important. This system helps you cut through the chaos and focus on what truly matters. Remember, not all tasks are created equal. If you're anything like me, you love to dive deep into your work, but sometimes our focus fizzles out. The Pomodoro Technique can help. Work in short bursts with breaks. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Focus intensely, no distractions. When the timer goes off, take a break. Stretch, grab a drink, or step away. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break. Ever notice how much smoother things go when you get on a roll? That's the power of batching. Instead of constantly switching between different types of tasks, group similar tasks together and tackle them consecutively. For example, dedicate a specific time for answering emails, making phone calls, or creating social media content. This minimizes mental clutter and allows you to get into a flow state, which is where the magic truly happens. Trust me, batching is a game changer when it comes to maximizing your efficiency and getting things done. We've all been there, those tiny tasks that seem insignificant but add up to a mountain of to-dos. Enter the 2-minute rule. This rule is simple yet incredibly effective. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right away. Instead of letting those small tasks pile up and haunt your to-do list, knock them out immediately and free up mental space for bigger things. Whether it's responding to a quick email, filing a document, or sending a quick message, embrace the 2-minute rule and watch your productivity soar. Distractions are productivity's public enemy number 1. They're those sneaky little thieves that steal our time and attention, leaving us feeling scattered and unproductive. The key to winning the distraction battle? Identify your biggest culprits and create a plan to minimize them. This might mean silencing notifications, finding a quiet workspace, or even using website blockers to prevent yourself from falling down the rabbit hole of social media. Remember, focus is a muscle, and the more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Learning to say no is one of the most valuable skills you can develop, both in business and in life. As entrepreneurs, it's easy to fall into the trap of saying yes to every opportunity that comes our way. But here's the thing. Every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else. It might be no to spending time with loved ones, no to working on your passion project, or even just no to a much-needed break. Remember, your time and energy are precious. Guard them fiercely, and use them wisely. Listen up, gorgeous. You are not a one-woman or one-man show. Trying to do everything yourself is a recipe for burnout and overwhelm. Delegating tasks is not about passing the buck. It's about leveraging your strengths and building a team that supports your vision. Start by identifying tasks that could be handled by someone else. This could include administrative tasks, social media management, customer service, or even certain aspects of your creative process. Remember, delegating effectively is an investment in your business and your well-being. We live in a digital age, so why not embrace technology that streamlines our workflow and boosts our productivity? There are countless apps and software programs designed to make our lives easier and more efficient. Explore project management tools like Asana or Trello to stay organized and on track. Communication platforms like Slack can help you streamline communication with your team. And let's not forget about automation tools that can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more important things. Listen up, my friend, because this one is non-negotiable. Prioritize self-care. It's not selfish. It's essential for your well-being and your productivity. When you're feeling burnt out and depleted, your work suffers. Make time for activities that bring you joy, reduce stress, and recharge your batteries. This could be anything from exercise and meditation to spending time in nature or pursuing a hobby. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself first and watch your productivity soar. There you have it, gorgeous. 10 powerful productivity hacks to transform your workday and unlock your most efficient, focused self. Remember, productivity is not about doing more. It's about doing the right things and making the most of your time and energy. Implement these strategies and watch as your productivity soars, your stress levels plummet, and you finally create the space to live a life that lights you up. Now go out there and make it happen. Thanks for watching. If you found these productivity hacks helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to boost your efficiency. See you in the next video.